The potential difference measured across a coil is 4.5 volt when it carries a direct current of 9 ampere. The same coil when carries an alternating current of 9 ampere at 25 Hz, the potential difference is 24 volt. Find the current, the power and the power factor when it is supplied by 50 volt 50 Hz supply. Solution. So first it is for direct current. So we will write for DC F is equal to 0. For direct current F is equal to 0, 0 Hz. Potential difference is given, that is V is equal to 4.5 volt. Direct current is given, that is I is equal to 9 ampere. So from this we can calculate the value of resistance is equal to V by I. So 4.5 divided by current is 9. So this will be 0.5 ohm. So R is equal to 0.5 ohm. This will be same for all 0 Hz, 25 Hz and 50 Hz. Now for 25 Hz. For F is equal to 25 Hz. Current is given, I is equal to 9 ampere. Also voltage is given, that is 24 volt. V is equal to 24 volt. Now from this Z is equal to V by I. So V is 24 divided by 9. So 24 divided by 9 is 2.66. 2.66. The unit of impedance is ohm. Now from this we can find the value of XL also. XL is equal to, or Z is equal to, Z square is equal to R square plus XL square. So from this XL square is equal to Z square minus R square. So XL is equal to under root of Z square minus R square. So XL is equal to under root of Z square is 2.66 square minus R square. So R square will be 0.5 square. 0.5 square. So from this XL is equal to under root of 2.66 square minus 0.5 square. So it is 2.61. 2.61 is the value of XL and unit of inductive reactance is ohm. Then from this XL is equal to 2 pi FL. From this we can find the value of inductance L. So here XL is 2.61 is equal to 2 pi F. F is 25 Hz. So this will be 25 into L. So L is equal to 2.61 divided by 2 pi into 25. So 2.61 divided by 2 pi into 25. 0.0166. 0.0166. The unit of inductance is Henry. Now we have to find for 50 Hz. 50 volt 50 Hz. So for F is equal to 50 Hz, V is equal to given 50 volt. 50 volt. Also we have the value of L. L is equal to 0.0166 Henry. We also have the value of R. R is equal to 0.5 ohm. 0.5 ohm. Then we have to find first of all current. So current is equal to I is equal to V by Z. So V is 50 volt and Z. So Z will be under root of R square plus XL square. But here this XL will be different. So first we will find this XL. XL is equal to 2 pi FL. But here the frequency is different. So this will be 2 pi into 50 into 0.0166. So therefore XL is equal to 2 pi into 50 into answer. So this will be 5.22 ohm is the value of XL for 50 Hz frequency. Now from this we can find the value of Z. This Z. So Z is equal to under root of R square minus R square plus XL square. So under root of R square is again 0.5 ohm plus XL. XL will be 5.22 ohm. So this will be under root of 0.5 square plus 5.22 square. So it is 5.24. 5.24. The unit of impedance is again ohm. So from this I is equal to V by Z. V is 50 volt and Z is 5.24 ohm. So this will be 50 divided by 5.24. So 9.54 ampere is the value of current. So I is equal to 9.54 ampere. Then next we have to find power. So power is equal to voltage into current or I square R. So I square is again 9.54 whole square into resistance is 0.5. So therefore power is equal to 9.54 square into 0.5. 45.50 watt is the value of power. Then next we have to find power factor. So power factor is equal to cos phi is equal to R by Z. So here resistance is again 0.5 divided by Z. The value of Z is here 5.24. 5.24. So 0.5 divided by 5.24. So it is 0.095. 0.095 is the value of power factor. So power factor is equal to 0.095.